is Cherie, and I'm going to show you how I achieved this date night makeup. This look was actually inspired by Love Amanda. First thing I'm doing is priming my lids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Today's eyeshadow palette will be the Morphe 3502 palette. The first thing I'm doing is taking the colors Orb and Tan and mixing them together all over the lid. Next, I'm going in with the color Terra. Just building up the intensity of that color by layering. And now I'm adding the color Chestnut on the outer edges of my eyes as well as on the inner to create a halo. And I'm just blending those colors together. I can't remember what the name of this color is, but it's just a light tan color that I'm using on my brow bone. Now I'm taking my NYX Glitter Glue Primer and putting it in the center of my eye for that halo. And I'm now taking the color Pure, which is a beautiful gold shade, for the center of my lid. And I'm just blending it out. I'm going back in with Chestnut as well as Terracotta along the edges of that gold color. On the center, I'm applying more glitter glue, and I'm taking a pressed glitter by Wet n Wild. It's just a gold glitter, and I'm patting it on the center of the eyelid. Okay, now I'm moving on to grooming these crazy eyebrows. I'm taking a brow powder from the Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks, and I'm just filling in the sparse area of my brows. If you're wondering what's on my head, I'm doing a heat treatment on my hair, and so underneath I have some deep conditioning treatment on my hair, and so I'm pulling double duty. I'm taking care of my hair and doing my makeup at the same time. I'm just combing through those brows and making sure that the product is nice and blended. After I'm done filling in the sparse area of my brows, I'll go in with my clear eyebrow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills and just set those brows in place. It's time to move on to the face. I am priming with my Dr. Brandt's Pore No More primer. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation in 330 and just taking a big foundation brush and spreading it out all over my face, a little on my neck, and down the chin. Today, I don't want heavy makeup, so I've decided not to use concealer. So after I'm done blending out my foundation, I'll go right in with powder. And the powder that I'll be using today is the Sephora Microsmooth Baked Face Compact in Tan 35. And I'm just taking a large powder brush and putting this all over my face. Next, I'll be going in with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep to bronze up the outer areas of my face, the perimeter, my cheekbones, as well as my jawline. Now it's time for some blush. And I will be taking the NARS blush in Taos, which is one of my favorites. It's also a part of my project pan, so I'm definitely trying to work my way through it. And I'm just taking my large powder brush and blending. Next, I am adding my MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I generally will use Chestnut or Cork with all of my nude or natural lipsticks. And today I will be using a nude lipstick. It is one of my favorites. It's Urban Decay And it's a cream lipstick in the color Fuel. Now I'll be taking Laura Geller's Baked Gelato Gilded Honey highlighter on my cheekbones, down my nose, above my lips, and a little bit on my forehead. Now to return to the lower lash line, I am taking Terra and Chestnut and applying it to my lower lash line. On the inner eye, I will go ahead and add that gold color Pure again, just so that it looks nice and kind of balances out the top of the look. I applied my liner off camera and I just used the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner. Now I'm going in with my mascara. It's my favorite Tarte Tarteist mascara. It just makes my lashes so full and long. Well, this completes my look. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.